Buy these 8 most reliable SUVs and pay almost nothing on repairs. What if I told you there are SUVs today that cost less to maintain over 10 years than a luxury sedan costs in just the first 18 months? Most people assume owning an SUV automatically means expensive repairs, failing transmissions, and sky-high insurance. But the reality is completely different if you pick the right models. Some SUVs are engineered so well, they practically refuse to die, even after 300,000 miles. Some are so reliable, insurance companies literally give discounts. And some hold their value so well, you could drive them for years and lose almost nothing in resale. Today, we're counting down 8 incredibly reliable SUVs that cost almost nothing to maintain, plus a bonus warning at the end, where I expose 2 SUVs that look great on paper, but secretly drain your wallet like a bad stock pick. Stick around. Number 1 might shock you, and it could easily become the smartest vehicle purchase of your life. Let's begin. Number 1, Honda HR-V. Yes, you read that right. The HR-V is one of the most reliable small SUVs ever engineered. Why it's genius? Simple engine, simple transmission, no exotic turbo failure risk, low mechanical stress, lightweight drivetrain, less heat load. These factors equals insanely long life. Owner reports, 150k miles equals early life, 200k miles equals normal, 250k miles equals absolutely realistic. Financial advantages: low insurance, cheap service, great fuel economy, high resale value, perfect for seniors, commuters, budget buyers, long-term owners, anyone wanting dependability over flash. Number 2, Lexus GX. The most overbuilt SUV ever sold in North America. Platform origin. This isn't a crossover. It's actually a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado underneath. A true global off-roader. Expected lifespan: 400,000 miles equals normal. 500,000 miles equals realistic. 1 million miles equals not unusual. Some in Middle East regions run 700k, 1,000k miles with standard maintenance. Insurance plus depreciation. Insurance stays modest. Depreciation almost doesn't exist. Used GX pricing is shockingly strong. This SUV is mechanical immortality wearing leather seats. Number 3, Mazda CX-5. Mazda is quietly building some of the most dependable powertrains in the entire automotive world. The transmission secret: unlike most compact SUVs, no CVT. They use a traditional 6-speed automatic equals dramatically lower failure risk. Reliability scores: RepairPal, 4.5 out of 5. Consumer reports: extremely high marks. Owner forums: nearly 0 major issues. Driving advantage: sporty to drive, premium interior feel, excellent road comfort. Cost advantage: lower maintenance than Jeep, VW, Ford, Nissan, Hyundai. This is a rare case where fun to drive and reliable actually live in the same vehicle.
Witness the culmination of design and motion.
Number 4, Toyota RAV4. There are reliable SUVs, and then there's the RAV4. Mileage legend: RAV4 engines are so overbuilt, they regularly hit 250k, 300k, 350k plus. Most owners never see a major engine or transmission failure. Depreciation weapon: used RAV4s often sell for almost the price of new competitors. Even old ones hold value incredibly well. You lose less money over time. The truth: the RAV4 isn't just reliable, it's a financial safety vehicle disguised as a compact SUV. Number 5, Honda CR-V. The SUV that refuses to die, literally. Powertrain simplicity. Honda has mastered simple engineering. Natural engines. Reliable transmissions. Long-life components. No exotic parts. No fragile electronics. Real owner mileage. 200,000 miles equals common. 250,000 miles equals normal. 300,000 plus equals routine. Second-gen CR Versys are famous for pushing 400,000 plus miles with basic service. Insurance perks. CR Versys have extremely low accident and warranty claim rates. This lowers premiums quietly every month. Used values. You can drive a CR-V for years and still resell it for solid money. That's real financial protection most people never even think about. Number 6. Lexus NX. Imagine a Toyota RAV4 wearing a luxury suit. That's the NX. Powertrain secret. Lexus doesn't reinvent reliability. They borrow proven engines from Toyota, ones already tested millions of miles. That's how Lexus avoids expensive mechanical disasters most luxury brands suffer. Mileage expectation. 200,000 plus miles is normal. Many easily reach 250K, 300K, without major repair bills. Luxury without repair shock. Most luxury SUVs equal expensive dealer bills. Lexus flips that upside down. Basic maintenance. Toyota parts. Toyota reliability. Longer lifespan. Insurance surprise. Because it's a smaller luxury SUV, premiums stay lower than BMW, Audi, and Mercedes. This makes it financially perfect for professionals, families, seniors, anyone wanting long-term stability. Who should buy it? Anyone wanting luxury comfort without luxury headaches.
Toyota reliability and a longer lifespan. Who should buy it?
Number 7. Subaru Forester. Subaru isn't flashy. Subaru isn't fancy. But Subaru builds forever machines. Why Forester matters? It combines low maintenance, high safety, standard AWD, predictable reliability, simple mechanical layout. This means fewer surprise failures later. Lifespan. Foresters routinely pass 200,000 miles and still have life left in them. Owner forums are filled with Foresters hitting 250K plus with normal maintenance. Safety advantage. This is huge for older drivers. High seating position, massive visibility, standard AWD, top safety pick plus ratings. Insurance companies literally like Subarus because of fewer accident claims. Year to target. 2016 to 2020 were peak reliability years. Excellent balance of updated safety tech, reasonable prices, great long-term ownership. If you want a trouble-free SUV that handles snow, poor roads, and long drives without drama, the Forester is shockingly underrated.
Insurance companies like Subaru.
Long drives without drama.
Forever machines. Handles snow and bad roads.
Number 8. Toyota Highlander. Toyota has many legends. Camry, Corolla, even the RAV4, but the Highlander is arguably the most durable family SUV Toyota has ever built. While most mid-size SUVs switch engines and transmissions every 5 to 6 years, Toyota keeps refining the same bulletproof V6 platform. That means fewer mechanical surprises, fewer unknown risks, and less complexity to break down. Real-world lifespan. Highlanders commonly hit 250,000 miles, 300,000 miles, sometimes 350,000 plus, with just routine maintenance. Owner's report, oil changes, transmission fluid, brake pads, tires. That's it for a decade of driving.
Insurance
Why mechanics
benefit.
praise it? Mechanics love simple, proven platforms. Fewer moving parts. Fewer electronic complications. Easier maintenance. Cheaper repairs. Highlander checks all of those boxes. Insurance benefit. High crash safety ratings equals cheaper premiums. Families plus safe platform equals lower insurance risk. This literally saves money every single month. Depreciation sweet spot. The 2017 to 2021 years are the smartest buy. Modern tech,
Great news on
updated
this
styling,
Highlander.
Toyota
Lower
reliability,
used pricing.
lower used prices. Basically the perfect value window. Bottom line, if you want family size, Toyota durability, and long-term safety at a reasonable cost, the Highlander is what dependable driving feels like.
Family durability.